just a bit bigger. Little swing set. Providence and Worcester. Dad, Providence and Worcester.
What poster?
Providence and Worcester.
Oh.
Hold on.
Look, they actually have the little box. Go into each car.
Yep.
Look. Darn, I missed.
Inside is down.
Looks like there was going to be a head-on collision. I thought there was going to be an HOC.
What's that mean?
Head-on collision.
Oh.
Look, in the camera. That's close, I want it.
Oh, that's nice.
Alrighty.
Oh, look, he's gonna have the quarry working.
What's down there? I can't see.
On the quarry work.
That's it?
Can you see?
No, I can't see, even on my tiptoes.
I think it's like it's getting you a thing to step on, I think.
It is. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's what they use. Tables.
Oh yeah, that's a given when I come here, and I don't like soda, but this I like.
Hey, Dad, look, it's the horse part.
Yeah.
Careful that you don't knock any.
Oh! Did you see it? I want to. Look, see? The horse part.
That's what it's hitting that. It's hitting the lip for the drawbridge.
I
If you
know.
look, it's not really the right. It's not connected correctly.
Yeah.
See, it look like they see how they sanded them. Same thing over here. They sand it.
Yeah, I know. It looks like it's pushed across.
Watch, here it comes. Watch, it's gonna jump right there, right when it hits.
What?
I can see it. The bridge is lower than the
Track
than this
part.
track. This part is lower. That's why it's doing that bump.
Where's Mom? Oh, there you are.
Squeedle, what? Are you gonna want to buy anything or no?
Probably not here. I said probably not here.
Well, then you want to go shopping.
Once my camera dies.
Oh,
Huh? Huh? Let me see. Let me see.
Quick Creek. That's
What?
where Daddy used to work.
He's falling down. Is he supposed to do
he's
that?
working on a building.
Well, why is he on the side like that?
He's probably not supposed to be. That's the post office. You know what these are, right?
No.
Champagne corks.
Oh yeah.
Painted silver.